It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. A parcel has come in the post from Trembling Madness. Now, I've not had a box from Trembling Madness in a while. I'm really excited because generally what comes from Trembling Madness is terrific beer. Probably some of the best beer in the country. So without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit this way. Let's get it unboxed. Hopefully there's a letter in here telling me who it's from so I can thank them. Right, Tartarus, Donzoco, Mills. Some of this should be good, or all of it will be good, I presume. Oh, look at this. A Timothy Taylor Northern Monk collaboration. Northern Rising Unity Stout. 4.4% ABV. Ooh, now that interests me straight away. It's got a bit of kind of tradition going on the front of the can. Little bit of kind of traditional Yorkshire stuff on the can. And then we got Northern Monk being a younger, fresher, I'm sure Timothy Taylor won't mind me saying that, more kind of craft brewery. Oh, excellent. Is there... I'm just quickly looking. Stephen Claxon. Steve Claxon, it says on here. Stephen, thank you very much, Stephen Claxon, for these beers. I much appreciate it. Next beer is called Donzoco Brewing Company's Saloon Doors West Coast IPA, 6.3% ABV. That's a 500 milliliter can there. Amazing, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Whoa. We have Sure Shot Brewing Company. Now that's what I call Sure Shot, volume 300. I've been to Sure Shot. They're based in Manchester in the same industrial estate as Cloudwater and Track. I was there last year. Should be Piccadilly, if I'm looking for the address here on the can. Piccadilly Industrial Estate. Yeah, Sheffield Street, Manchester. That's them. That looks very cool. It's what style of beer is this? 8% ABV. Wow. Double dry hopped, double IPA. Oh yes, look at that. Next beer, Tartarus Beers Snow Wasset, Maple and Pecan Hot Chocolate Stout, 5.5% ABV. I'm going to have some fun with these. Tartarus, based in Leeds, another terrific brewery. Look at that, look at the artwork on that can. Fantastic. Whoa, look at this. Goat Fizz by Holy Goat Brewing Company. This is a 7% ABV mixed fermentation golden sour. Oh, these guys are based in Dundee. I've had a few of their beers. They've all been just out of this world. Fantastically good beer. Look at that. I'll be getting that in the fridge and reviewing that ASAP, as soon as possible. So much going on here, so much going on. This looks like a Greek god with an eye patch. Northern Monk, Brew York ex Northern Monk, Odin's Gaze, New England IPA, 5.2% ABV. Northern Monk, Brew York, fantastic breweries. Brew York, Lee and Wayne, if you've ever met them, great people, really, really good people. This should be a terrific IPA, really good. Northern Monk, Hop City, USA, in collaboration with Indie Hops, Schilling, Lauren Brewers and White Labs. It's a dry hopped Italian Pilsner at 5% ABV. Terrific. This is Burning Sky, Brewers and Blenders, Old World, 6% ABV, 440 millilitres of course. Trying to work out what it is. Molasses, oat chips, hops and yeast, malted barley and water it's been brewed with. Oh, it's an English old ale. Oh yeah, 6% ABV, cool. Burning Sky, where are they based? I think Norfolk Way. BN8. Northern Monk Hop City, double dry hopped IPA, 6.5% ABV. Rivington Brewing Company, Lauren Brewers and Indie Hops. This is the collaboration. So they must be doing a Hop City in America now as well. 6.5% ABV. Pretty cool. Tartarus Beers, Night of Ren, Coconut Pistachio and Chocolate Imperial Stout, 12.2% ABV. Wow, that's a big one. It's a collaboration with Emperor's Brewery. You Are Not a Jedi Yet. Oh yeah, look at that. So much beer. So much beer, yeah. Don Zoco Brewing Company's Northern Helles Unfiltered Lager, 4.2% ABV. That's very exciting for me. Helles Lager, nice and cold on a spring summer day. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Helles, one of my favourite styles of beer now. And still we go. Still we go on. This is by Mills Brewing, and this is called The Dickens. The Dickens, must be Charles Dickens. Oil painting on the label by Martin Cale. 8.4% ABV. Wow. I think it's a wild yeast and bacteria. So this is going to be a sour. It's going to be a sour beer. The Colonel Vatted Stout Porter, 1864, 8.2% ABV. Big fan of the Colonel. One of my favourite breweries in the UK. A blend of vatted porter from 1864, aged in foeders and fresh export stout. That's going to be a belter. Blimey, we got some great beer here. Wow, bottle of Eich Schürlenkirche Orange Beer, Fasten Beer 2025. This is coming in at 5.9% ABV. There's the bottle cap. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And then Rondo Vines Mixed Fermentation Beer Red Wine Hybrid by Holy Goat Brewing Company, 7.4% ABV. Absolutely incredible. I think there's a couple of sweets in here as well. And a refresher bar. I like a refresher bar. The sweet Stephen Claxton sent last year. He sends a box a year. I give them to my kids. My kids loved them. So, but I'm gonna eat this. I love a strawberry refresher. That's mine. Thank you very, very much, Stephen Claxton. This is a box of beer which is very, very exciting. Very exciting. Lots of different stouts, lagers, porters, IPAs, Helles lagers. So much to get on with here. Mixed fermentation sours. Great. Look out for these beers on the channel. They'll be coming shortly. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.